Today we're delving into Paid in Full, an in-depth look of the defining moments of Christ's Passion by Rick Renner. This book offers a detailed examination of Jesus Christ's final hours, providing fresh insights into the events from Gethsemane to Golgotha. Renner, a noted Bible teacher and Greek scholar, draws a vivid backdrop to the Passion of Jesus Christ, interjecting fresh insights into the human and divine drama scripted from the foundations of the world. As we follow along the journey detailed in Paid in Full, we discover an intimate portrait of Jesus, one of which we may have never known. The book powerfully explains the significance for each step Jesus willingly took along the way of his suffering, death, and resurrection. Renner's exploration reveals the great value we have in God's eyes and the full extent of his love for each one of us. Readers have found Paid in Full to be a riveting account of Jesus' final hours, appreciating Renner's ability to interject fresh insights into the human and divine drama that took place in Jerusalem more than 2,000 years ago. The book has been praised for its depth of research and its ability to make complex theological concepts accessible. Overall, Paid in Full offers an intimate portrait of Jesus, encouraging us to reflect deeply on the significance of his sacrifice and the profound love that motivated it. It's a valuable resource for anyone seeking to understand the depth of Christ's passion and its implications for humanity.